Hello traders, welcome back. Arbab is here. In this video, I'm going to a back test of ICTSilver Bullet London GBP USD of a recent week. So today we have a 15th July. So I will going to start from 10th July. Let's start it. So I will remind you the ICT rules. Before we have to mark out 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. the start of London 3 a.m. Okay. So you make sure in trading view your chart on UTC -4 the New York time. In New York 3 a.m. morning London's session open. Okay, so before that you have to mark out the recent your swing points as a liquidity here, wherever you find, even here. Okay, so after market sweep any side, you will shift to the 1 minute and find the market structure shift with displacement, where you find you also see a valid swing point. That is most important for you to identify the market structure shift with displacement. Okay, so we push. Okay, I will remove this line as because price move upside, and take out this recent liquidity, and we will shift to a 1 minute time frame to see a market structure shift with displacement, as we see a valid structure here. In my YouTube channel, I also upload a video of a valid swing structure. You can see there. Okay, let's wait and see what happens. Okay, price go upside and take out this liquidity area as well. Here also. We don't have any valid swing point here, either from SMC or either from ICT. You can see here we don't have any valid swing structure here. Okay, one thing more point I will tell you that I experienced in this week that I almost forget, because I will show you. Yeah, see, you see we have got a displacement. You're excited for a short position, right? What you do basically, as per our teaching, we will go and put our limit here, put a stop loss on the third candle, and put a target. Okay, see, ICT said if you find a market structure shift with displacement, you have to find out that your target, the next liquidity area should be a 15 pips in forex and 10 handles or 5 handles in indices. Does we got? No, we have a 8 pip. So if we found any situation like this, we have to avoid that trade. Remember my point. Understood what I said? We got many times this situation I see in London 10 a.m. we have find a huge candle like this, and people said, yeah, it's market structure shift, but it does not, because the opposite side we don't have liquidity that are around 15 pips. Okay, so must be 15 pips. If it's not 15 pips, it's invalidate and it can be your SL. Okay, so you must remember this point. Okay, so market take out these liquidity area. So we now if we see Asia high from here, okay, if we see here from this point to this point is a 30 pips. Okay, so for me it's valid even from start from here for a 15 pips. We need a 15 pips liquidity to validate this trade. Okay, so now here where we have a valid swing point. So we have this a valid swing point, this one, because the green candle is the biggest one. Left black and right black did not go above this candle wick or above wick. Okay, so it's a valid swing point for as per ICT. This is also a valid swing point because first and third candle did not break upside. Shift. We have these now because this shift here. Okay, I will also bring a new video on smart money concept where you can find trade with 5 to 7 SL, okay, or maximum 10 pips SL with 50-60 pips rewards very soon. we have this, no, this above. Okay, yeah, we got here because our structure is now here, and we got a market structure shift with displacement. Yeah, if we see here, we got market structure shift even back downside. Where did you focus? Here. First candle and third candle did not break this one, so we got a market structure shift with displacement. Okay, and one thing more I tell you here for to remember that point. We put our buy limit here, stop loss downside this candle who make first, second and third candle who make this fair value gap, and opposite side liquidity pole that should be around 15 pips. So here is this start, so it's, yeah, it's 19 pips. And the most important point that you have to understand, this is a 3 to 4 a.m. right? Your entry should be in this time frame, not after. You can hold the trade after 4 a.m. until New York session, no problem, but your entry should be in 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. between this time frame. Okay, so let's play out and see what happened. We are in the trade and consolidation, trades running, moving, keep you in attention, and you are holding like this. Let's play out. Yeah, it's almost there. We will go to 5 minute time frame and see. We have liquidity here as well and liquidity here as well. Okay, so mostly we take out 15 pips around here. Okay, and then we out. Okay, or we are in a break even or partial, because here he came back and out us. Okay, so we take out this from here, partial from here as well. It's like that. Okay, so the opposite side is a 15 pips. Once you got a 15 pips, you can out as well. Here is your liquidity pole in this area. In 1 minute also you will find out this is the liquidity. Yeah, here is the equal highs. This is a good area, and price already tapped 2-3 times here, so it's good area for you to out. Okay, so is here for me. Did I take this trade? I honestly tell you, first I got SL here, like what I explained you here. I got a displacement. I excited that I'm price going downside, but then I study on it again and I see again ICT videos, and I find out that our opposite side liquidity does not around 14 pips. So I SL here, and then I suddenly also take this trade as well. Okay, so now jump to the next day. Now we are on Tuesday, 11th of July. We mark out all our valid data points. Now market take out this low, so I remove as well this one, shift to a 1 minute time frame. Okay, before I mark out everything as per according 5 minute, so we will see now does we got a market structure shift with displacement here or not. No, we didn't get. And price move downside. Price in the ranging market, as you seen, price in the ranging market. Okay, we have a high liquidity pool here, we have a high liquidity pool here. So does today we took a trade. For me, I didn't get a trade, because if I get a trade, you can see I post all my trades here, like see recent silver bullet or This is also my strategy. You can join, link you will find in the description. It will really helpful for you guys, because I post free of cost, no any charges, nothing is there. Okay, this is my own strategy. I provide a strategy with touch and go trades. You can check on your demo account, yeah, then you can put on there, okay, your real money, no problem. We don't get a displacement and we don't have area of high liquidity area. Okay, let's see, does we get any displacement? We got here displacement, but we don't get enough fair value gap, so it's invalid. Make it invalid, okay, because even it's here, it's not nearby to the our 15 pips. Yeah, there is, but we miss out the trade, I think. Yeah, because of this ranging market, we got confused with huge candles like here, here, and here. Let's see in 5 minutes we got any fair value gap candle. No, here, no, here, no, here, no. So we need a clear picture to take entry, guys. No trade. If there is, you need more practice to catch out these type of trade, because for as ICT, if price make like this a fair value gap here, displacement, this price should not go above of this, but spread make you out here many times, and it's running pretty well. After that, here a displacement, we have a fair value gap, you put a sell limit here, obviously you put a stop loss here, this, okay, here upside, and spread mostly out you here, and your TP somewhere here, or 15 pips. That you already did got, but you need more practice to get out these congested setups. Okay, jump to the next day. Okay guys, we are on Wednesday, the 12th of July. We mark out the possible liquidity areas. Okay, so as I show you, I told you that this setup can happen before as well. So in this day I got a trade as well, and setups happened before, but I got entry in our time zone area. Okay, so I mark out this strategy, and in 5 minutes I found a huge displacement move, where I also mark out the opposite side liquidity area, that's around more than 15 pips. Okay, so I shift a 1 minute time frame, and I found here a valid swing structure with displacement, and I put sell limit here. If it's fill in this time, I will not take entry, but if it's not fill in the 3 a.m. before 3 a.m., then I put here sell limit, I put stop loss above of this third candle, put the liquidity 15 pips like this. Okay, so we are in the trade. Yeah, we are in the trade, and we got again back test, and ICTs many times said that you don't need a bias, don't need a bias for a day to find out this study. But for me, really, I tell you something special, that if you know a bias, you will find Juta swing as well, you find OT optimal trading tree as well, you find ICTSilver bullet as well. So make sure you know bias. I will make video on this as well. So many times I got trade as per bias. This week I got 3 trades on OT optimal trading tree, and almost 3 trades on ICTSilver bullets on a specific pair. Okay, if I doing on GBP USD and Euro USD, I don't go for NAS 100 or SPX 500. Okay, so as here our strategy 15 pips already we got TP. Okay, so after 15 pips we don't make a HD or make our SL, we are on break even as well, maybe out. Okay, many people hold their trade, they don't put their break even as well, but ICT said, so I am going to tell you as well, ICT said if you got like this situation, you trail your stop loss to the most backside swing high. Okay, not like recent, because it can be swept like this, This one swing high, you can put your stop loss, but it's swept and then price go to the another direction again. Okay, it will take yeah, like this. See, it take out, and but it's some consolidation period, so that's why. Okay. Okay, now jump to the next day. Okay, now we on Thursday, and we will see what happened here. Price come inside, take downside. We will shift to a 1 minute here. Okay, and see if we found any market sector shift with displacement. We need no, we don't get. Yeah, we take out this one because if here we don't have a liquidity area which are more than 15 pips, so that's why I avoid it. Okay, remember the point as well, the same truths. So we have this area, we should take, let's see, we go upside. Yeah, great, good. Little, we found a fair value gap, we are in that trade. I took this trade as well, and I mostly post in my Telegram channel, sure. Okay, we have a 15 pips here, does here 15 pips. Okay, let's see, we are here. Okay, 18 pips. Here you will learn about as well. See, after almost 15 pips or liquidity area, we hit here, we got upside. So if we do a more greedy, we might be miss a chance. Okay, many times you miss a chance this trade. Don't worry about that. Practice on every day. Okay, on a demo account, you will succeed, ya Sheikh. Okay, believe me, really. It will happen. It's maybe not happen on GBP. It will happen Euro USDT or USD in many another pairs. You will find, but stick with only one GBP USD, one pair, and with one strategy. Okay. Now go for a Friday. This is the Friday last day, 14th of July. Okay. So this trade I already do it, but I only post here the New York session time. Okay. You can see here for GBP and Euro USD, both trades. So this setup happens before 3 a.m. in a 1 minute time frame. Okay, if you don't find in a 5 minute, you will find in 1 minute. If you don't find in 1 minute, you will find in a 30 second as well, 15 second as well. But this happen. Okay, 500 stop loss, 500 target. Okay, here we got a displacement in 1 minute. Okay, because price already take out the Asia and the previous days. Okay, so once it's take, we will put our sale limit here, buy limit here after we got a fair value gap, and put your stop loss in the third candle and put 15 pips. It can be here as well. Okay, we will play, we came in and hit our target as well. Okay, 15 pips if hits, this mean our target is hit. Yeah, we got hit here, and this day I got many entries due to OTE, the optimal trade entry, where you can use a Fibonacci like this. This is a special Fibonacci like the setting made by ICT, where I got tap here and I put target 1, 2, 3 like this on 0.5 as well minus. So I will show also you this. I will make video on this as well. If you learn something from this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and join this my free Telegram, link in the description. Best of luck.